Hello, welcome to the Smooks. Wow.
This is the most
That
insane thing.
was an entrance. Boom, boom, boom. Welcome to voting for Startups of the Year. Very excited to have Ling and David Smook in the house. Today, I basically want to walk through this and show everybody how we use this website and how we can vote for our favorite startups.
And
Definitely.
this is well, dun, dun, dun. We built this voting software. Now we're going to vote on startups, and this is us demoing the stuff that we built on the day that we launched it. See you later.
Bye.
Yes, David is having an ice pack on his neck because he slept funny last night and he is a dad, so he has dad bod and his neck is hurting.
I'm in pain. This is like Michael Jordan Game 6 stuff. I'm really dedicated to this podcast. We also have 2 computers.
Trying out some new tech today.
This is startups.hackernoon.com. Vote for the startups of the year.
Today, we're just going to go through the front end and vote up some of our favorite startups by locations. So these are cities with over 100,000 people. Give them some love.
So let's start with your birth city, Ling. Let's go over to Hanoi.
Let's see, 16 candidates. All right, so I was born in Hanoi, Vietnam in 90. I'm actually very proud of the startup scene in Vietnam, especially in the past decade.
I took our vote. Tima.
It has.
P2P provider in Vietnam.
Wait a minute, like, don't you want to go through the list and just kind of like
Oh, good point.
understand like what startups
you
we
can
have?
only vote once per award, but you can also revoke your vote. So I apologize to that peer-to-peer network, Tima.
Fitness, kindergarten. You know what? Let's go with the kindergarten one. Kids online.
Kids online. These sites aren't as fast as.
Yeah, because, we try to load it from Vietnam. This is like optimizing for the Vietnamese audience. Okay, so my cousin is a teacher for, in the kindergarten level. And I just appreciate kindergarten teachers and daycare workers a lot.
Should I vote?
Yeah, let's go with them.
Boom. And since we are
done.
authenticated, your vote has been cast. You want to share to Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Gmail, Blockster, wherever.
Let's try Twitter. Boom.
Check out startups for.
All right, let's do something more personal. Let's say as a former teacher and a parent.
Watch this. There. Is that what you said?
And a parent. I would love to support kids online.
Oh.
Amy, how about you do next?
Well, I also voted for
Oxy?
because it's an online marketplace for motorbikes, and I like that.
Oh, yeah, that's needed
What
in
city?
Vietnam.
Oh, in Vietnam.
Yeah.
Let's go to my city. Exciting.
Should we approve decentralized web? Let's click to see what they are. Building a decentralized communication and advertising platform with a blockchain. Okay.
Cool.
Let's also look at North Van while we're here. I know about Jane App as well. It's an online booking platform for health practitioners, so massage therapists and physiotherapists. A lot of them use that.
All right, let's go somewhere in the world. Let's go over to Pennsylvania. Let's see what's going on in not Plattsburgh, but Pittsburgh.
Pittsburgh.
We're also looking at, we haven't dropped the C's or the D's or the E's or the C's or the K's or the Y's or the Z's yet.
Yeah.
Man, I haven't been in Pittsburgh in a minute.
Wait, is Pittsburgh the place with the Liberty Bell? No.
That's Philadelphia.
Oh, I was going to say Pennsylvania. No, okay, Pittsburgh.
Oil
Penguins.
and mining?
Gas, steel.
Oil, mining, steel?
I don't know. It looks too much like Instagram influencer to me.
This is why it
how
appeals to me.
See how they do the subtle video? See that fly?
Mm-hmm.
That's really to make you remind,
Come on, you gotta appreciate
It's an Instagram
that
world.
aesthetics.
I mean,
They have
I
a
like
great
honey
aesthetic.
and I like water.
Ooh, wait. Okay, hold on. This company does wearable for your mind.
Hold on.
Interesting.
For your mind?
Yes. Hollow wellness product not intended to treat psychiatric disorders.
All right, I'm gonna move to somewhere else in the world.
Wait a minute. Why do you get to go for the third time?
Let's see what Work Apps is. Work Management System Platform.
It sounds so boring.
It sounds like synergy, synergy, synergy.
Enterprise grade messaging platform for large organizations. Okay, they're probably onto something. I want something a little more exciting.
Like Peppo.
Dang it.
Maybe they're down. Where do you want to go next?
Let's go over to Amy next.
All right.
All right.
I got to do a sponsorship plug here. Podcast is brought to you by Ice Packs. They've been solving pain
Middle-aged
for
men,
thousands of years.
neck pain problems.
When Ice Packs started solving back problems, middle-aged men were 10 because they died at 20. That's how long ice has been helping humankind. Yeah, and then if say you're looking for startup like Flatfile, you can find where it's based in Denver. So it's also a good tool if you want to look where a startup is based. The published writers, they deserve more sway. You know, they're the voice of the platform. It's their content on the site. So
Yeah.
your votes should impact rewards because these votes, they come with different prizes.
Yeah.
David, how long do we have to vote?
6 months. We wanted to make sure it could stay logged out because it's like we still think coming and putting an opinion on a startup, it's still like worth something. And you know, if a real human looks at it, they don't need to like attach to a profile to be like valuable data. But if it's you authenticate, it's more likely to prove that you're
A real
invested in
human.
this.
Everybody visit startups.hackernoon.com to vote. You have from now until January.
End of January 26th, exactly 6 months from today. Visit HackerNoon.com to learn about all the prizes and perks that come with startups, or just click on the button Startup Specials to learn more.
Bye. Thanks for
Bye.
watching.